Magandang hapon. Ngayong hapong ito ay ipapakita ko naman sa iyo kung paano gumawa ng masarap na daing na bangus. Ang kakailanganin natin na sangkap, of course, bangus, yung aking ginawang apple cider vinegar. This is homemade, guys, so I will show it to you also how to make apple cider vinegar next time. Paminta, bawang na tinadtad, at asin. To begin with, ay tatanggalin natin yung mga palikpik ng bangus. Kuntingin lang natin. At hiwain sa gitna. Okay, ganun ang gagawin natin sa lahat ng bangus na ating idadaing. Alisin natin ang mga palikpik. At hiwain sa gitna. Guys, ay gawin natin namang in quarter. Okay. Pagkatapos nating hiwain, ay ating huhugasan na. We have to wash it and take out yung mga hasang at mga laman loob. Okay? Hugasan natin, guys. Ngayon, guys, ating tatanggalin yung hasang at yung laman loob. Kailangan lang natin itong linising mabuti at tanggalin din yung mga namuong dugo para malinis. Okay? Yan. Tignan mo yung mga dugong na nabuo, tinatanggal. Yan. Okay. Then, hugasan natin. Ganon din sa lahat ng naiwan na na-slice na. Tanggalin yung laman loob, tanggalin yung hasang, at tanggalin yung namuong dugo. Na natin itong pangbababad natin sa ating daing na bangus. Ibuhos na natin itong suka sa ating lalagyan. Lagyan natin ng asin. natin yung ating bawang. At lagyan natin ng paminta. I-mix natin ito. Mix natin mabuti para yung bawang ay maglalasa talaga. At pwede rin nating tikman kung tama na yung alat. It's good. Dagdagan ko ng kaunti. Ito na yung product na ginawa ko na apple cider. Ito yung ginagamit ko na sa aking pagpapaksiw ng bangus, yung sa aking adobo, at itong pagdadaing ko. Okay, napakasimple itong daing na bangus. Very good. Now, ilagay na natin itong bangus sa ating mixture. Masarap ito sa may salad. Lalo na may mga salad kaming, may mga tanim kaming lettuce at kale. Pwede naming isalad. Okay mga ka-tribe, ito ay pwede nang lutuin bukas. Overnight mo lang and then it's good to fry. Okay mga ka-tribe, salamat sa iyong tiyagang panunood. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button at mag-iwan kayo ng comment kung ano pa yung gusto ninyong makita na pwede kong lutuin. Okay? God bless us all! Hello guys! Good afternoon! Look what I've done. This is the daing na bangus. I use the bulbils of the garlic that Rod planted. You see how the flowers are came like seeds of garlic now, and this is really tastes garlic. See, and then the scape, I use it to marinate our daing na bangus. This is the one I use. Look. And I use my apple cider vinegar. This is the one I use to marinate the daing na bangus. Okay guys, watch our video on how to make daing na bangus and you will love it. Have a nice day everyone and God bless us. Mga ka-tribe, yung pinaghugasan natin ng isda kanina, pwede nating idilig sa ating mga halaman. Kagaya ng mga kamatis, kung may tanim tayong talong, kalabasa, sili, isang fertilizer din yun. Ginagamit ko yun para pandilig ng mga halaman namin. Okay mga ka-tribe, don't forget to subscribe.
Guys, magandang araw sa inyo. Today ay sasamantalahin namin mag-shoutout. This is the first shoutout that we will be doing. At marami-rami na rin tayong subscribers. Actually, 135 subscribers as of August 22nd. Wala pang 1 month itong YouTube channel natin. Itong Love and Pride. Ilang weeks na?
I think almost 4 weeks na.
Almost 4 weeks na.
Yeah.
More than 3 weeks na. Okay, so we will shout out. Ito yung listahan namin. 5 pages lang ito. Actually, 43 lang ang listed. Kasi nga, ang ipinapakita lang ng mga subscriber ay yung
In public.
yung
Subscription
settings nila.
public, yeah.
Oo. So kung yung settings ng YouTube subscription nyo ay hindi public, ay hindi...
Please check your subscription. If it's not in public, please check it.
Yes, please. Okay, because we have some other subscribers na dito, English speaking, so we'll be using English Tagalog most of the time. Okay.
Okay, shout out kay Cooking Techniques, Chef Francis, Simply Amazing Shows TV, Dennis Jimenez, Emil Susi, Team Asai Japan, Fatima TV Vlogs, Numbers 1428, Pepe Yiki, Jennifer Tolibas, The Social Media Wanderer, Jerry's Vlog, Sherwin Credo, Melody B, 00 Specialties,
Yes,
Specialities, yeah. Wina B, Angelo Valdez, Paul Forto, Edo Pu, Kizaya Storke, Ayesa, Mikel Roncal, Greya Ivana, Kit Cornell, Young El Kim, Joy Sagana, Marty 1020, Geraldine Atienza, Rodrigo Valdez, Abel Apostol, Amina Q,
Kui.
Ana Tajima, Mirna Zacarias, Biola Salami, Jojo Talaktak, Roy DM1, Rai,
Yeah, that's Roy Demesa.
yeah, Rayo Hadukensian, that this is
Wilfred.
Brother Wilfred,
Wilfred.
Arturo Taktay, Louis Valdez, Candice Isaac, RSV 7612, Maria Isabel Cater, Salvador Mabalot, Princess Olivia Madriaga, and Risa Joy Tuason. Salamat sa iyong patuloy na pagtangkilik at pag-subscribe at pag-suporta sa amin.
Yeah, we thank you all, because some of our subscribers are not Tagalog speakers. So, yeah, we thank you for your support, for your appreciation, and for your suggestion to improve our channel.
Yeah. Shout out to Manang Auring and Manong Greg.
Yes.
Ian Queen.
Sa aking mga pamangkin, to all my niece and nephews, to all our cousins and relatives, I know that some of you just doesn't want to reveal your names here. That's why
It's not included. Yeah.
you put
have
it
to-
in.
Brian, you put it in public, your subscription also. You're not on the list.
Yeah. Why we want you to put your setting into public is because we want to express our appreciation, because we are planning to give some surprise gift.
Yeah. When we reach 500,
No, even this 200. So we are now 135. So the first 200, okay. So
we will pick one.
yeah, those 43 already here. Okay.
We will pick
They are
one.
already included.
Yeah, we will pick one.
So far 135 now. So once we reach 200 subscribers, okay, we will make a draw, okay?
Yeah, we will pick one name, and maybe we will give a surprise gift.
Yeah. Okay, so those of you who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, and comment, and share our videos, because our goal is to help many people, Once we're able to have this rolling and be qualified, once we have that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 views, we could apply for monetization, and we could use that blessing to bless other people also. So, yeah. Please subscribe, and God bless you all.
Praise the Lord.
Mabuhay tayo. Mabuhay ang Pilipino. mabuhay
Ang Canadian.
ang Canadian, ang mga Amerikano, lahat mabuhay ang
Yeah.
tao sa buong mundo. Mag-ingat kayo, no? So, what we are doing is actually we are sharing our passion, no? Our passion is to cook, to plant healthy, organic vegetables.
Yeah, gardening.
Gardening. So you will be seeing me posting videos later on also about gardening and about vermicompost, composting, making compost, you know, those wood chips and a lot of other stuffs, you know, things that we could do, you know, in our spare time.
Yes.
So, yeah, do your passion, you know, love other people, okay? Love God above yourself and love your neighbor.